I could, I would take that literature class Mrs. Cortez teaches. It looks like a humdinger. If I could,
do go on. But yeah, I'm Mrs. Cortez, and I want you to join my American Literature and Composition class.
Have you enrolled, Mr. Hemingway?
Indeed I have.
Are you taking it, Harper?
Of course. And you, Gatsby?
Act to the glass. I hear that class has games.
Yes, and escape rooms.
There shall also be poetry galore, Lenore.
Mr. Steinbeck, will there be essays to write?
You bet.
I don't like writing essays!
And yes, you'll practice essay writing, but we're going to do it the easy way. Writing essays does not have to be hard, I promise.
Don't be caught sleeping when you should be reading. So join me and my fellow American literature authors and poets and enroll now.